Hello everyone, very good day to all of you. In this video, I'm going to talk about prime numbers and factorization. Now, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers that can be divided by that number and 1. Those are known as prime numbers. Examples: 2 cannot be divided by any other number other than 2 and 1. 3 cannot be divided by any number other than 3 and 1. 5 can only be divided by 5 and 1. 7 can only be divided by 7 and 1. 11 can only be divided by 7 and 1. 13 can only be divided by 13 and 1. Now, what is meant by factorization? Now, factorization is where we find the factors of a given number. Let's say we find the factors of 12. We get 4 into 3 are factors of 12. So what is meant by prime factorization? Factors of 6 are 3 into 2. Prime factorization. Now, when a number is written as a product of prime numbers, we say that the number has been prime factorized. For example, the prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. Note that factorization differs from prime factorization because under factorization we can use all the factors of a given number, but under prime factorization we can only use the prime factors to factorize a given number. Let's look at some examples. Now decide whether these numbers are prime numbers. Now 13 can only be divided by 1 and 13. Therefore, it's a prime number. But however, if you take 100, it can be divided by 2, 4, 5, etc. Therefore, it's not a prime number. Let's take 2. 2 can only be divided by 1 and 2. Therefore, it's a prime number. Let's prime factorize some numbers. Now, let's prime factorize 26. If we prime factorize 26, we get 2 into 13. 13 is a prime number. 2 is also a prime number. Therefore, 2 into 13 is 26. HCF, or the highest common factor. Now, what is the HCF of a number? Now, highest common factor of a number is the highest factor that divides the numbers. Now, let's say two numbers. Now, factors of 12 and 18 are 1 into 12, 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. Factors of 18 are 1 into 18, 2 into 9 and 3 into 6. Here we can see 1, 2, 3 and 6 are common factors of 12 and 18. So the highest common factor is 6. However, the highest common factor of 12 and 16 can be obtained directly from their prime factorization. Let's see how we can do that. Now, prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 3 is 18. Prime factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Therefore, we have 2 which is common to both the numbers, 3 which is common to both the numbers. We simply have to multiply 2 by 3 which is 6, and therefore we get the highest common factor of 12 and 18 as 6. Now look at these three numbers, 16, 24 and 40. 16 can be prime factorized as 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. 24 can be prime factorized as 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 2 is 24. 40 can be prime factorized as 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 2 is 20, 20 into 2 is 40. Find the common factors for all three numbers. Now I get one pair of 2. I can get another pair of 2 here. I get another pair of 2 here. Therefore, I can say 2 into 2 into 2 is my highest common factor for these three numbers. Now 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. That is my highest common factor. From this pair we took only 1, 2. From this pair we took only 1, 2. We considered the pairs relating to all three numbers. Let's look at another concept related to factorization. LCM, the lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple of a set of numbers is the smallest number into which all the given numbers will divide exactly. Let's say I consider 4 and 6. Now multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. It goes on. Multiple of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24. So we find 12 in both. Therefore, 12 can be divided by 4, 12 can be divided by 6. So that is our lowest common multiple. Now let's see how we can find the same answer using the factorization. 4 and 6 can be prime factorized as this. 4 can be prime factorized as 2 into 2 and 6 can be prime factorized as 2 into 3. So from these set of numbers, we take the most number of 2's found in one number. The most number of 2's found in one number is 2 into 2. And most number of 3's found in one number is 3. That is with regard to 6. Therefore, we get 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12. So that's how we find the LCM of two numbers. Let's work out some more examples. Now consider 15 and 20. Now 15 can be prime factorized as 3 into 5. 20 can be prime factorized as 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 5 is 20. Now we find the most number of 2's found in one number is 2 into 2. Most number of 5's found in one number is 5 because both the numbers have 1, 5. And most number of 3's found in one number is 3. Therefore, 5 into 3 is 15, 15 into 2 is 30, 30 into 2 is 60. So that is our LCM. Let's look at multiples of 15. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45 and 60, 75 and 90. Multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. Therefore, we can clearly see 60 is our LCM. Therefore, our answer is correct. Let's work out some more examples. Now, let's find the LCM for 7, 9 and 12. Now, LCM of 7, 9 and 12 can be found by prime factorizing these three numbers. 7 can be prime factorized as 7 into 1. 9 can be prime factorized as 3 into 3. 12 can be prime factorized as 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. Therefore, the most number of 2's that we get is 2 into 2. Most number of 3's that we get is 3 into 3. That is from 9. Most number of 7's that we get is 7. Therefore, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 3 is 36. 36 into 7 is 252. So that is our LCM for 7, 9 and 12. Consider these three numbers 12, 15 and 20. Now 12 can be prime factorized as 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 15 can be prime factorized as 3 into 5. 20 can be prime factorized as 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 5 is 20. So to find the LCM, we need to take the most number of factors from all of the three numbers. Therefore, most number of 2's found in both 12 and 20 are 2 into 2. Most number of 5's we get is 5. Most number of 3's we get is 3. Therefore, we get 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 5 is 20. 20 into 3 is 60. Therefore, our LCM is 60. Consider this example also. 20, 24 and 25. Now, 20 can be prime factorized as 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 5 is 20. 24 can be prime factorized as 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. 25 can be prime factorized as 5 into 5. Therefore, we can write the highest number of 5s found in one number is 5 into 5 into highest number of 2's found in one number is 2 into 2 into 2, 24, and highest number of 3's found in one number is 3. 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 2 is 50, 50 into 2 is 100, 100 into 2 is 200, into 3 is 600. Therefore, LCM of 20, 24 and 25 is 600. Hope you like the video. Do hit the like button and leave your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.